Alright, what's going on, guys? It's Mossy, aka Cybex Trades, and today we're back with another trade review and recap. And yeah, let's just get dive into it. I'm gonna make this short and sweet, and simple. Ideally under 5 minutes for these monthly recaps. And yeah, so basically today, this month, this is how many trades that I took this month. Week one was pretty active, went well, starting off to a decent start. And then week two did not really trade that much, and then had a big loss here on, I believe, AMD and SPY. This was due to over trading again, which I'm holding myself accountable for. As you guys can see, this is how I recap my trades and everything through TradeZella. And yeah, basically my rating system setup recap did good, did bad, can do better. So yeah, as you guys can see, oversized, did not accept risk, emotional, saw red day, revenge thinking. So yeah, when you let psychologically poor performance here affect and yeah, just P&L thinking. And then this week, the third week of October, played some nice puts to the downside, and then the following day I got clapped on coin because of I remember this day actually because the IV I played it off open after the earnings expecting a which the price did which my scenario analysis did play out, but why is it not showing? Hello? Where's there's usually a chart up here, but it was an opening drive play, and I did not really, as you guys can see, I did bad. It was basically I FOMO'd off the open without looking at the tape or waiting a bit. No confirmation, nothing. I saw outside day break and key level break, and then I took it without really being patient. So, yeah. And then this one was, that was another hit there. Automatically, it was a really one trade, one hit type of thing. I went in with two contracts, and my sizing was proper. It's just the fact that when I entered this contract, the IV was so high off open that in 1 minute as soon as it with a slight pullback, it was down by 100% on the premium, or a dollar pullback on the premium. And yeah, and then Tuesday, a little break even, small break even, and then I came back on a Friday here with a nice push off SPX. Started trading SPX. I really like the zero DTE aspect of it. Now I know what you guys are saying, or someone might think, this is like it's retarded for a small account, but I don't mind taking zero DTE plays that are SPX or SPY, as long as when I have like a chart setup, like for instance when I look at a chart and my scenario analysis of where if a level triggers or a break and retest happens, which is basically I'm a supply and demand trader with key levels and whatnot and using volume and tape. If that happens, then I can see like take a 0 DT SPX out of the money that I can just hold with a cheap premium that I can just hold throughout that whole scenario analysis and just adjust my stop as the premium's going. And yeah, that's what I did on Friday. We had a nice push off right off open. As you guys can see, this is my little recap of it. For some reason, it's not showing the chart. I don't know what's up with that, but I'll look at it later. But anyways, yeah, and then I, once again another SPX play here. FOMO'd into this one, didn't really, chase bad entry, no confirmation, didn't really follow game plan. There was really no setup here. But overall, it's a, monthly stats. I guess I just basically made my commission this month for my small account. And yeah, overall, still putting the emphasis on just focusing on the trading aspect itself, the science and artistic aspect of trading itself, the process itself, and not really worrying about, what these show. Now, ideally, it's either, small greens, big greens, or small reds, and not any of these for sure. And that's really the focus here, is to really just build that confidence until I size up. I don't really want to, for me, it's really not, thinking about P&L or anything at all right now. I'm just really focused on being a good trader and really following my plan, my analysis, really trusting my setups, and also trusting, just the fact that there will be red days and accepting that risk. And yeah, that's basically it. I mean, it's really more psychology work to do, and I'm slowly, fine tuning and adjusting as I'm going. Checking myself. Not a lot of trades for sure this month either. There were good trades opportunities, but proper preparation, everything is of course needed to really capitalize on. Some days I just didn't wake up on time, and I told myself I'm not gonna trade if I wake up late, which is EST time here. So if I wake up anything after 7, I don't really trade. 7 is like the exception that I make, but usually I want to get up at 6. But yeah, I used to be a West Coast. I don't know about the traders there. It's pretty difficult, not gonna lie. But yeah, anyways, that's pretty much it for this month of recap. Barely green, closed out green. Overall, let's see how November goes. I've been playing with also a 50K funded with Top Step, getting close. That is close to being funded, and yeah, overall, just being confident in trading, and we all got this. So hopefully, you guys' November went well as well. And yeah, that's pretty much it for today, and I'll catch you guys on the next recap. Thank you.